Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Serena, owner and creator of Carter Custom, and today I wanted to give you a quick run through of how to use the vertical habit tracker. To get started, I always like to go to File and make a copy, so I have a blank copy of my template that I can always refer back to. For this habit tracker, you'll go ahead and get started on the first page. Up here on the date, if you double click, a drop-down calendar will pop up and you can change the date to any day that you would like. You don't need to start on the first. If you'd like, you can start on any day, anywhere on the calendar. Then below, you'll enter your goals here. I've entered 5 goals and you'll see the total at the bottom. Here are custom hex codes, so if you'd like to change the colors of your progress bars, you can go ahead and enter your own custom hex codes here, otherwise you can just leave that. There's a section to add any notes as well. Down at the bottom, you'll see that there's different tabs. So if you go to the next tab, this is where you'll see your habit tracker. All of the goals that we entered on the first page are now here along the side. And on this final tab, all of the goals have their own category. Back to our weekly habit tracker, this is where you'll spend the most time. So each day when you open it up, this is where you'll go to be able to check off different habits that you do. The only other thing that we need to do on this page is choose how many times in a week we would like to do each task. All right, now that I have some numbers in there, we can go ahead and get started. If you check off a box, you will see that you have a progress bar up above. This is your daily progress. And then along the right side, you have your weekly progress. This is based off of the number that you put here. So you'll also receive this cute little affirmation that helps to keep you motivated and let you know when you hit your goal. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check a bunch of these boxes so that I can show you what that looks like on the next page. All right, now that I have all of my habits that I've done in this month checked off, I'll be able to see on the final page my progress with each different habit. So under Gym, you'll see your weeks 1 through 4, and you'll be able to see whether you've improved, been consistent, or maybe declined in progress. And you'll see that with each of these. The reason I did this is so that you're able to see that for yourself and whether you need to make adjustments or adjust your goals, or maybe you just need to try to change some other things that are going on if this goal is really important for you to meet. Down at the bottom, I've also included where you can see how many tasks that you've done in that entire month. The last few things I wanted to show you is that if there is a space that has no goal, you will see that it will turn red on the other side if you're checking boxes. So if you see that, just know that it's because you've checked a box that doesn't contain any text. If you would like to just continue on reusing this same one over and over again, and you'd like to leave your goals the same, you can easily clear this section by right-clicking and copying a blank cell, highlighting over top of the rest of your cells, and then pasting that. Unfortunately, you can't do that from one range to the other, so you'll just have to copy a blank cell from the corresponding range. And that's how you quickly and easily clear your chart. And then you're able to start over. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you're able to use this habit tracker to really be able to stay on track to meet your goals. Thanks for watching.